Hi guys, welcome to JP Digital. Today I'm going to give you review guys ZGTS DERMA roller for head hair. So I'm going to open. Before open I just showing some instruction. You can see the instruction. Do not roll too much more than indicated time. Do not share with other person. And if anything happen, you can consult to your doctor. Okay, let's open. Let's see. I already opened. Just for you guys, I'm going to reopen this one. So it looks like packing is so nice, no doubt. And okay, yeah, they give you the nice packing, and you guys can see here they give you one plastic cover. I don't know how to open this one. Yeah, if you push, then it will open. So they give you the needle of 192, and this is 1.5 mm needle. Okay, this is my first time review. It looks nice, and the handle looks like curve. And if you go to the doctor, they have also the same thing. They're selling like 1500, 1200, like that, and the same, everything is similar, nothing is different. And they're saying they are giving gold plated titanium. And also in the Amazon they are claiming also gold plated titanium needles. And before, just giving you some instruction, before using, you just clean the rolling water and also use the sterilized spirit to use. And that's all. Thank you guys.